Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can add an Instagram feed to the Framer. So Framer now includes a dedicated social integration for a zero code setup. So it's pretty much uh, straightforward. What we need to do, press CMD and forward slash on Mac and control forward slash on Windows. Search for Instagram, select the official Instagram integration plugin. Instagram. Uh, so Instagram, as you can see, uh, what you need to do basically is simply just authorize and log into your Instagram account, insert feed, custom component will appear on your Canva, customize in the properties. So right here, as you can see, I need to Instagram account and finish setup. Right here, what I'm going to do is I need to put some my information and then just save the settings. And after that, this will show here on my page. Then here on the right side, you will just edit the properties, how you want to look like, and so on. Now another way is what I just did, is simply that one, that you go here to the insert and then to the social, and we have here Instagram option. Now what we need to do here, also the same as before. Here on the right side we can edit some effects and transition, but this is not interactive. So the first method was more interactive. This one is more just for the look. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.